All right, guys, today I want to do a full unbox review and setup on my new wireless CarPlay adapter. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go and take a look at it. All right, user manual right here. And this is the actual adapter. And if your car doesn't have a USB, it also has a Type-C adapter as well. So let's go ahead and actually try it out to see how it actually works. All right, so I do have it hooked up, and this is the first screen that comes out. So I'm gonna go ahead and hook it up to it. All right, so I did hook up to it. It was very, very simple to do. It literally populated the second I hit Bluetooth. And let's go ahead and actually try this out. So I do have Apple CarPlay on this vehicle, but it had to be connected. I do like that it's wireless now. So as you can see, it's got quite a bit of apps on here. So let's actually try one out. We'll do Audible. Let's do Sell or Be Sold, and then we'll hit play.
Sold on their product,
very
their
cool
service,
as you can see,
company,
very smooth to
actions,
operate,
and themselves, and maybe even their own purpose.
Go ahead and pause it, go back. Let's say if we wanted to access our music, we could just go here and just hit play. So you can see you're able to listen to your music right on here without actually having to connect your phone. So like I said, it's just nice to not have your phone connected to this all the time. So let's go back, especially if you guys do any kind of delivery service like Uber Eats, DoorDash. It's just nice to not have to be plugging in and out your phone. So this is super useful. So you can see you could access your maps on here, and just through this device right here, you are literally good to go. So let me go ahead and go back one more time. But as you can see, you could even do podcasts if this is what you want to do. So I'll just hit this one to play just for example. So as you can see, starts playing right away. Let's go back. So very simple to use. It was literally plug and play. You're able to access all your apps right on here. If you want to see your text, you can just go there. So like I said, it works with Apple and it works with Android. So if you guys are looking for a new wireless CarPlay adapter, definitely look into this one. I'm going to leave that link down below. Highly recommend.